Alright, good evening, boys and girls. This is Miss Schumacher, and I hope you've already watched the video about how to identify right, straight, acute, and obtuse angles. And I just wanted to go over that again, and also just so that you could see how the measurement of angles looks on the Promethean board, because when you come to school tomorrow and you're going to be using the hard plastic protractors and paper and pencil to do this, but I will be modeling it on the Promethean board with this program, so I just want to give you the heads up about how that's going to look. So this is my protractor, and at the bottom here you can see how it's saying that it's 357 degrees. I need to rotate my protractor around so it gets to 0 to show that it's level, because I need to line up that bottom line, not the bottom of the protractor, nope, not the bottom of the protractor, but where it says 180 or 0, just like when we use a ruler and we started at the 0, we need to start at the 0 on our protractor. So here we go, I have everything lined up. So you can see the bottom ray, as it's called, and the top stops here at the 90. So if we are going from 0 to 90, that is a right angle, so I need to mark that as such. Ooh, if it lets me. With that square indicating that it is indeed a right angle. From this point, we should be able to draw right angles onto other angles to compare them. After a while, you'll be able to see this without taking the step, but we are always going to try it that way first until we get used to it. So this is going to be an acute angle. We were told that a good way to remember an acute angle is because it's cute, isn't it? Little and cute and precious. So this is my acute angle. Again, I will balance my protractor around to make sure that it is even with my bottom line here. So it starts at 0, and then I can see, hey, it's falling around the 36 degree mark, and you don't need to worry about that so much, but you do need to be able to draw yourself that 90 degree angle and say, okay, I'm going to take the protractor away. My acute angle, this red one, is indeed less than 90 degrees, making it an acute angle. And we're going to do the same thing with the obtuse angle. So let me fix my protractor again. Line everything up. So the corners should be matching. And then you have 0 at the bottom. That's what I want. And now I need to find my 90 degrees. Drop in my right angle. That's actually off a tad, so let me try that again. Better. So as I take my protractor away, I can see that this is my right angle, and my red angle here is indeed obtuse because it is greater than 90 degrees. And again, a straight angle, which is easy because it is pretty much just a straight line. And you should see that on a protractor. Oh goodness. That on a protractor, it is straight across 180 degrees. Have a good night, everyone.